was excited. I couldn't wait to start studying because I came one day to see where it's located so I could find the exactly route. And I didn't want to be late on my first day, so I just came ahead and then checked it, how the settings are and all that. And then when I saw all the real pharmacy like behind me, it's like, oh yeah, it's like the community. I can't wait to. They are nice, friendly, and open-minded, and they try to engage us they encourage us to ask more questions. And it's not like listen to me and then at the end ask questions. In between, we can ask always questions, or at the end, depending on the subjects, how heavy they are or how light. And we always make jokes around us to kill time also. Amazing. Amazing experience.